guys, I'm Celestial Blue and welcome to Celeste Corner. I just got my Nerd Block Junior, the blue one for May. Woohoo! Nerd Block Junior. Let's see what's inside. Get my hander dander scissors. Take a little peek. Alright, that's all you guys get. Okay, so let's see what we have. First thing I see here, that is so awesome. It's a Justice League new no slip cap. On the go bottle folds, it freezes. Check that out, guys. It says for water, juice, drinks, and more. That is so cool. And look, it even has this little handle here so you can put it on different things like your purse or your gym bag or your backpack or whatever it is that it may be. That is awesome. Let's check out what else we have. No way, guys. We have this really cool tech deck. How cool that is. Check it out. It's Princess Leia. That is so awesome. Check out the back. We have all the other different characters that you can get. I would have to say my favorite character is Yoda. He's the wise, old, cute little green guy. But this is really cool. Let's open it up. Oh my goodness. I remember these tech decks. We used to do all these fun tricks with them. What? Whoa, what is that? It comes with the cool stands too. That is so cool. It's Princess Leia. Let's take a closer look. Here's the front. It has some nice grip tape. Really good quality, nice and sturdy. Underneath has a beautiful Princess Leia. We have that, and we have the little tool to take out the tires. That is so awesome. Let's see if we can do this. Let's see if I could do an ollie. Haven't done this in ages, guys. Oh well. Anyways, let's see what else we have in store. Two really cool things so far, guys. What is this? It says stick bricks. Get sucked into the game. Mix and match, and you get to scan them into the game. Check that out. Let's see. So it's mix and match your figure, scan into the game. So it's an app that you guys can get. Let's open it up. And then we'll show a little preview of how you scan these figures into the game. Wow. So it has this card, and it has, they come apart and you put them together. So we're gonna put the head on top of there, and then we're gonna put the body. Ta-da! So we have him, and we have this guy. Cool stands. Ta-da! Okay, let's take a closer look. Here's the back and the front. Nice detail. Now let's check out that preview. So first I'm going to scan this little green guy with my phone app. Yes. Boom! Beam complete. Check it out. We have a brand new character. New hero gained. Awesome. And that's how you do it. Awesome, guys. Okay, cool. So we're going to go ahead and put that aside. What else do we have in store? What's this? This says, my favorite cartoon character is because something. What did you think of this Nerd Block Junior? Okay, so we're going to have to let them know what we think of this Nerd Block Junior. So far, so good. Okay, let's see what else. What is this? In Minecraft? An unofficial gamer's adventure. Book 1, The Quest for the Diamond Sword. An unofficial Minecraft novel. Winter Morgan. Check it out, guys. let's see, it says, from the harrowing world of Minecraft, join Steve as he tries to save his village. Pretty cool. That is really cool. Let's see. It looks like a pretty simple, you know, book to read. So I think I'll definitely take a look at that. Alright, let's see what else we have in here. Wow! Guardians of the Galaxy magnet! That is so cool! Check it out! Let's open this up. Let's see. Look at that. Here, let's take a closer look at him. It's Rocket Raccoon, ready to save the galaxy. This is made by Marvel. And I'm definitely going to put that on my refrigerator. That is so cool. That is awesome. Cool. I really like this nerd block. And I believe that is the end. Dun dun dun. Empty. Well guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing for Nerd Block Junior May. If you'd like to see what's in store for our June Nerd Block Junior, stay tuned. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time.